So now there was one question in the question answer section as well about Google ads and Facebook ads and which one are better. So for this, you need to understand that the concept of both of these ads is very different. For example, in Facebook, the audience is lazy. It's like you are scrolling on Facebook, you're not looking for anything. And in the middle of it, suppose you see an ad for a dentist, then you might not be very interested and you might just pass it on. Now that was one scenario. A second scenario is that you have been delaying dental treatment. You have maybe visited a dentist or maybe you had a dental pain maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. And believe me, that is 99% of the population in the world, not just in India. So in that case, I consider almost everybody as a potential dental patient in the sense that they would have a dental problem or they would know somebody that has a dental problem. So what Facebook does is it will show you ads randomly. I mean, you don't really need the service, but it's still going to show you the ads more for branding purposes and marketing purposes, which I'm going to explain that later. So it's like somebody who doesn't want something, you're pushing the product to him. So that is what Facebook does. Then what Google does is on Google, Google doesn't come to you. You go to Google. So it's like if you want to look for a dentist or if you want to look for shoes or if you want to look for a phone, you're going to go on Google. You're going to type in a keyword. Whatever you search on Google, that is a keyword. Like dentist near me is a keyword. Dentist in Ghaziabad is a keyword. Dentist in Delhi is a keyword. So you go on Facebook, you go on Google and you search for that particular keyword. And then Google will show you the results of that particular keyword. So the difference is that on Google, the patient is actually looking for a dentist. On Facebook, the patient is not looking for a dentist. The dentist is looking for a patient. So it's like on Facebook, you're pushing the product, and on Google, the customer, the patient is being pulled to you. So I don't have much experience with Google ads as of now. I am trying out Google ads, but because of this pandemic, I've left all marketing for my clinic. But in Google, what happens is it's a little more expensive as compared to Facebook ads, but you get more precise, more better patients from Facebook's or from Google ads. So what I would suggest, if you have a limited budget, then you can go for Facebook. But if you have a good budget, if you're willing to give time and invest money, then it is better to go for Google ads, because Google ads, the keyword bidding is a little expensive. And in Google, the most annoying thing is that it is pay per click. PPC ads, they are called. So it's like if suppose you have an ad for dental implants, like in my area, the cost of that keyword is 45 rupees. So it's like if I put up dental implants as my keyword in my ad. So all the people searching for dental implants, they will see my ads. Now the thing is, since the bidding, it'll get a little complicated. So all I want to tell you is that if you have put an ad for dental implant and if a patient comes and clicks on that ad, you're going to be charged 45 rupees. It doesn't matter whether the patient is going to come to your clinic. It doesn't matter whether the patient is going to come to your clinic and get the treatment. None of that matters. All that matters is that whenever you click on it, anybody clicks on it, the money is going to be debited from your account. Although it is in the studies that have been shown, the benefits are better. Like you would get more patients from Google than you would get from Facebook, more conversion, more patients who actually get the treatment done, but it will cost you a little more as compared to Facebook. So it all depends on a personal preference. I personally prefer Facebook because it does branding for me as well as marketing. And Google, I haven't personally invested in it. So personally, I mean, I would never recommend it to anybody if I haven't done something, I wouldn't recommend it to somebody else. So that's why I'm sticking to Facebook ads for now. If ever later on I get into Google ads and I find that Google ads are also of value and value for money, then I'd be more than happy to take a session on that as well.